How can I let my team know when a new file has been added to the cloud? Hi, this is Elliot from Workload. In this video, we'll be building a workflow starting with a new file in Box. Then we'll be composing an email using the AI Wizard by Workload before finally sending that email in Gmail. All right, let's build a workflow. So we're going to start here at the workload editor. We're going to give our workflow a title. This is going to be new file in box to AI wizard to Gmail. And we're going to select our trigger by clicking in the trigger box. Our triggering app is going to be box. And our event is going to be new file. And make sure we're connected to our box account. If you have any issues connecting to the apps we use in this workflow, check out the blog in the description for this video. The folder name that I want this workflow to monitor is one of my test folders. So with box, you're going to start typing in the first few letters of the folder, and then you can come down to this drop-down menu, and it'll give you all of the folders that have that word. So we're using this testing for workload is the folder I want to monitor. You would select whichever folder was appropriate for this workflow. We'll test our trigger, and we found a new file, this grandma.png. So we'll use that to build our workflow. So we'll click continue here. For our second step, we're actually going to click on our tools. We're going to select the AI Wizard by Workload, and the event is going to be prompt your data. For the input data, we're just going to use the name of the new file in box. I'm going to paste in a prompt, compose a brief email letting me know that a new file, which is the input data, has been added to our box account. So I'll click continue. We'll test the action. Hello team, I wanted to inform you that a new file has been added to our box account. Please take a look when you get a chance. Thank you. Sure, that works for our email. It also provided a subject for us, which we can use in our next step. So we'll add a step by clicking on the plus sign. This is going to be in Gmail. We're going to come down to send email at the bottom here. Make sure we're connected to Gmail. So this is where you're going to put in the email address of whoever you want to receive this email. So I'm going to send a copy to myself. And if I want to send a copy to my whole team, we could pretend that's my team email. The subject is going to come from that step 2. Subject. And the body is going to come from step 2 as well. And that is the body of the email. So now I'll click continue. And we'll test this action. And it looks like we have a success. If I click over on my Gmail account, I can see I've now received that email with a new file added to box account and that message that we created using the AI Wizard. So it looks like our workflow is set up correctly. I can come back over to the workload editor, click continue here, make sure we have a green dot in each of our nodes, then we can activate our workflow. And now whenever we have a new file in the folder we selected in box, the AI Wizard will compose a short email and then send it using Gmail. That's how I can use the AI Wizard by Workload to automatically send an email in Gmail whenever I have a new file in box. Please join the Workload community by commenting on this post with any questions you might have or suggestions for future videos. You should also like this video and click here to subscribe to our channel, or click here to get more content from Workload about how to make your business practices flow more smoothly. And I'll see you next time.